So for everybody watching, if you haven't heard the intro yet, it's National Cupcake Day today for humane societies and animal shelters, and so we've been trying to raise money today for Langley Animal Protection Society, which is the shelter that rescued these kittens and their mom and the jungle cats and many, many other dogs and cats. And Sleepy Praline. And they, so you can, look, I'm not focusing. Falling asleep.
Good capture.
Oh, asleep.
Fall asleep. And alcohol.
So the yes, so if you would like to donate to support laps, you can go to tinykittens.com/cupcakes and make a donation. It will go to Laps for Cupcake Day, and the money is used for things like our spay and neuter program, these guys, all of their care. They would be vaccinated, and food and deworming and all of those sorts of things. Is she gonna fall down my leg?
She just might.
So sleepy. Oh, so awake.
Yeah, there we go.
She's gonna fall asleep
My
again. There she
God,
goes.
that face. I love that.
Oh, so sleepy.
So for everybody watching.
Uh-oh.
You're on like we're delayed on live.